Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. So it's still the case of Dele Farotimi and Afe Babalola. So guys, for the fact that Dele Farotimi is being handcuffed and the people that are really the criminal of the nation, the thief that we all know, walks freely when they want to take them to court, is so alarming. Like, what did this man do? What did he do that you guys handcuff him? For the fact that, see, Yahaya Bello was not handcuffed. That man was not, he was even smiling in court. You will be so amazed, you will be so wowed that this Dele Farotimi knows more than what he wrote in that book. Yes, you will be so wowed. This man knows more than what he wrote in that book. We are so dwelling in corruption. We are all rolling in corrupt system. Like, what did he do? You know, this nation that we have, they hate people that talks against bad governance. They know what they are doing, and they don't want people to expose them. They don't want people to know what they are doing behind the scene. This country, they are finishing this country. They are finishing it. And Dele Farotimi is one of the people that is against bad governance. Just like Aisha Yusuf does. Just like she does always. She do not, and she will never, I don't think she will ever partake in bad governance. This is what they are doing. See, Yahaya Bello is walking freely. Yahaya Bello is even smiling in court. Guys, can you imagine? This government, I don't know who is going to free us from the hands of this bad governance, from the hands of this bad government. I don't know who is going to free us, Nigerians.